guys, and oh, look at my nails. They're really nice. So I know I'm not that serious usually on my channel, but this is a topic that we all need to know. So, basically, our planet might potentially die in the next like 10 years or so. So we need to try and save our planet while we can. So, in this video, I'm just going to be showing you like 3 DIYs you can do to recycle old plastic bottles, because plastic bottles are awful for the environment. So, we're going to be using them for a different purpose. So, I've made a playlist linked down below that like has a bunch of videos like helping you to save the planet, and like including my how to recycle jeans video and this video, and hopefully videos to come in the future. So please go watch them, try and be as helpful to the planet as possible, and we will all appreciate it in the end. So let's just do the DIYs. So the first DIY is going to be a little pencil holder, like whatever holder you want thing. And I'm going to be using this juice drink bottle. And I don't particularly like the drink. I just bought it because it sounded good. It wasn't that nice, but I ain't hating on the company. And here's my attempt at ASMR. Take it away, Katie, earlier in the week. Okay, I'm done with the ASMR thing, okay? So we're just gonna cut the bottle in half and save the top part because it's going to be used for the next DIY if you're using that exact bottle. So there I am, just cutting it out, and then I decided that I was going to paint it with nail polish, and that sound from the nail file. Oh, I hate myself. Oh. So I was just about to start painting, and then, yep, that was a bottle falling. I had a bunch of bottles on my desk, and I wasn't bothered to take them off, so I just left it there. So since I'm not bothered to take out my acrylic paint, I'm just using some nail polish to paint some dots on it, and I think it still turned out pretty nice. I used some dotting tools that my cousin Sasha gave me. It was very nice of her. I was very happy with them. And it was really fun using them. They're really cool. But I'm not sponsored by my cousin, just want to make that clear. So yeah, there. So here are a few things that you can put into the thing. So I just put round pieces of cotton, then you can put in lip balms and stuff. Some people call them lip balms, I don't know. Then you can also put your Copic markers in there. The only thing is the majority of people don't have Copic markers. So for the next DIY, we're going to be making a pop socket out of an old water bottle. So like a couple of months ago, like before the summer, I made a DIY pop socket video, and that was also actually with a plastic bottle, but it was my original idea, and it was like different. So this is another way to do it. So we're just going to trim that down because it looks like it's gonna stand out a little bit on my old phone. which is now dead. That's why it didn't turn on at all. So I'm just trimming it down, and yeah, I'll put the pop socket video in the link below. So then I'm just, trimming that again to make that like more symmetrical and stuff. And then my phone case from that phone broke, so I'm just gonna be pretending that it's stuck onto my phone. That was a bad throw. That was also a bad throw, but never mind that. So I'm going with the whole dots theme again, and I'm using more nail polish, and then I'm doing like a water marble kind of thing, but no water, It's like a drag marble basically. You can do whatever design you want, but I'm using a toothpick and some nail polish globbed onto it to make a water marble kind of thing. So then I'm doing some dots around that, and I've seen other people do pop sockets like this, and it's really cool, and they've like filled it with like glitter and stuff, but I wasn't really bothered to do that. But you can as well. I'll link some down below if I am bothered. So here it is. Haha, you're not gonna see my face today. Maybe when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you ain't subscribed, then maybe subscribe. And I had the Ireland flag on my hand because there was an Ireland match on that day, and we watched it during school, and it was fun. So then I just have another plastic bottle here, polluting the earth. Awesome. So also this drink was really good. Also look at those nails. It's really, they're very nice. So yeah. So this drink was really good. I recommend it. But we're going to be making plastic bracelets. So you just need a bottle and the scissors. So I'm just cutting that up and attempting ASMR. Wow. So I'm just cutting it up into two pieces that would fit around my wrist. They were still a little big because I have a very small wrist. But, whatever. So again, not bothered to take out acrylic paint, so using nail polish. So first I did a glitter thing, and then I'm doing a dot thing like I've done for the previous two DIYs. So yeah, I think it turned out very nicely. And here they are, and I forgot to record myself showing them off to you because, it's a Friday night editing a video as usual. So, yeah. I'm gonna try and do outros more often now, but thank you for watching, and do as much as you can for the environment because we'll only have it for a couple more years. So yeah, see you in my next video hopefully, and subscribe for more if you want to. Bye!